Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Good day. I just want to tell the Helping Hand Ministry thanks in assisting me to get this deep freeze to do my business. You know, God laid on my heart to sell some juice and ice cream. I didn't have any money at all to start the business, but the Helping Hand Ministry come and assist me that I can get this deep freeze and to do my business. And I thank the Lord so much for that. Thank you, Helping Hand Ministry. God bless you.
Viewers, subscribers, big up on yourself. But you know what I want to do right now, my people? Me asking you, please support this channel, my people. You understand? Because this channel, people, Helping Hands JATV, it's a non-profitable charitable organization, my people. And them a do a lot of good work across Jamaica, my people. Them a give back so much to the homeless, to the people who don't have it, to the people who hungry, to the my people. All me asking for the people, please just support them YouTube channel, me the attacking boss NEWLINK. Because if you support my people, I'm asking you, please just check below in the description for the link, people, and please just support them thing. Thank you all, thank you so much. Support them, people. Helping Hands JATV. Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, my people. You don't know the thing, man. You don't know, so the attacking boss, they are the one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So my viewers and my subscribers, in this clip I know what me have, people, what I want to share with you all, my viewers and subscribers. You get what I'm saying? And it's a member, alleged member, who was in the whole thing we go on down at the place to know people, the building there with the cult Charleston now people, seeing? And this man I know, people, say he was there. He saw everything and he's explained everything, people, details by details, what went down, what transpired and everything, people. He also explained that he also received a shot to the upper arm, people. You understand? During which there was a confrontation with members from this Charleston thing, people. You understand? And the members of the security forces, seeing, after they tried to gain entry into this, you know what I mean, dirty, satanic premises. So my viewers and my subscribers, before I talk or say anything more, I'm going to share this with you all, my people. See? Then the attacking boss drop back in and give the attacking speech. You don't know anything. Go. So let's listen to this, my people.
The young man, who was still visibly shaken when we saw him, says he remains in shock and disbelief. He did not want to show his face, but tells us Pastor Kevin Smith, who is now dead, had him and the other church members under a spell. On the night in question, he says Smith posted on his Facebook page that a tsunami was approaching and that all members should pack up and come to the ark, a reference to the church. The young man said he went to the church because he believed the pastor that the tsunami would kill everyone outside. He says inside, Smith became angry and began acting as if he was tormented.
He started to take things and mash them up, mash up the wine them round for it, mash up cheer, mash up everything. Mash up glass and cut up himself and a ball out in our church. And I say, oh, what is this, man? I want to have a chance to have a chance to have a God now. I mean, things are into mind now, you see me? Then he walk and cuss and walk and say people turn their back on him and he come in the flesh and he realize him and all type of something. That's gone. He realize him. So we do it on the gun and he walk and, you see me? Come out, something, he walk away.
The young man says in spite of all that, he still saw Smith as a god and never lost respect for him. He says at this time, about 9 members were inside while others were outside clamoring to get inside the church.
Because some people give company property. Because people want to come in now. So they want their ball out say, Your Majesty, let us in, we're going to die.
At one point inside the church, the young man recalled that the pastor gave instructions to a church member to kill another, saying he would bring him back to life. The member was stabbed in the back, and immediately after, the young man says Smith followed up by shooting him. The young man says a few minutes later, he saw the member that Smith had just shot back inside the church begging him for help.
So Mr. Corey, I walk and I say, Your Majesty, I got shot. Can you heal the pain?
He recalled another bizarre act by Pastor Smith, which led to the death of a man who had come to the church for healing. He says the man was sick and had some tubes in his chest.
So the pastor looked upon him and say, Yo, do you believe that I am God? And the man said, Yes, I believe. Do you believe that I can resurrect you when you die? And the man said, Yes. So the pastor said, Alright. Turn out the chest to water, man. The man start bleeding out on him. While the man start bleeding out, the man take off his shirt, take off his pants, and Andre, and our next man, we don't know his name. So I can't know people there, see me, put him on the ground and make the man bleed out. That man is on the ground, black man, black, slim, and black. He bleed out on the ground, man. And he pastor say, he must die. And we call it resurrect. We call it resurrect him again, you understand?
Following that, the young man says Smith gave him and another member knives, saying he was going to begin allowing the other members inside and that they should be killed. It was then, he says, Smith called Tanika, the late employee of appliance traders inside the church, and started questioning her.
And the pastor said, Do you believe that I am God in the bed? And she said, Yes. And then the pastor said, Do you believe that I can resurrect you again when you die? And the girl said, Yes, isn't it? And then the pastor said to Andre, say, Go and kill her. This girl and the mad small, you know, they are dead. Run for your life. You know my mind, no? Because if me say it out loud, maybe that said sense man can kill me instead. I told you say some type of foolish.
What did she do after the pastor said that? Did she put up any resistance or she stood there waiting to be killed?
She hold up her hand. She hold up her hand and start bawling and say, God, you are God. That the man tell the man say, my God, you know. You are God, you are God. You say, I kneel on her knee and the man just go, brother just go and cut it. I see the man cut the woman throat. I say, John, really this a go on it? The woman, the man just feel in front of me, I look at me and say, yo, no man. This serious, because I like time me a priest said I go tap him. But if I go tap him, maybe me get shot or, you see me?
He says that sometime after 5 in the evening, members of the security forces arrived, but it took some time before they stormed the church. The young man said the police woman, who is a member of the church, was kneeling beside Smith, who then gave her instructions to take on members of the security forces who were outside.
And tell her, I say, yo, go on the war police, then me give you power, you can't get gone. So the policeman get up, because he give policeman a robe, you know. When a female robe, then put her on the over her. So she feel mighty, you know, like so she can't dead. So the policeman walk like a robot a galang. But she go fire no shot at her. He turn up one side, so you know.
Then he says Smith instructed another member of the church who lived at Smith's house to take up a knife and attack the police and soldiers.
The pastor tell him, say, go. No shot can kill you. You cannot die. You are immortal. Go and fight. You can't take up a long knife, someone like a, you know, a Rambo knife. Take up a knife and run out past soldier and police. One shot fire, man, what, man? In past dead, man. About 15 shots in there.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, you hear what go on, see? And you hear this man I explain things that went down. Which, honestly, not a surprise to me, people. And other people may not believe him, but I do believe him, people. I do believe him. Because not everybody who was there, people, are big into that thing. See? Some people were brought there, people, just say them 3 points get back where, just say them 3 points get take away. And it seemed like he was one of them, people. See? Him receive shot, him say, why him get the shot in the child? If him comes up and go out there, but the police thinks that maybe he come for attack and beat it off of him, people. See? And if you hear he explain about the other young man who them say was 18 years old, who them say attack the police them with a knife because him get, you know what I mean, him get sitting there, he call pastor, tell him, say, yo, go on. You know what I mean, go do it. And he manage to come to people and go do what him have to do. You understand? So, as I'm saying now, my viewers and subscribers, yo, A one bag of thing that go on they say, no people, in a joke thing and a play thing, you know. If you hear this, you have to explain everything, people. All the things that go on they say, you know. One bag of mix up and bangarang, you know, my viewers and subscribers. That's why I tell you, say, yo, this culture to your people, eh? Boy, me I talk to people want some cruel and heartless no people, but this yo, this should get it a million more time, people. Me say it should get it a million more time. And when me say a million more time, I mean the 3 points should get back with a million more time. Because this is a sin thing, cruel, wicked. And for all of the one them who they dead beside them people and come cry, fall on and talk about them broke and then and the money. I should not even know my people. A straight attack. I should, my people, big up on yourself. More love, more respect, more blessings. Be safe out there, my people. Do the right thing. You understand? Love your brothers, love your sister. Look out for the evil ones, them people. Don't mix up in the evil people. Don't follow them people. Don't make them trick you. Don't be greedy. Don't make them tell us, so you're going to get this and get that people and make you do that to your loved ones, them people. Don't follow them. Because at the end, people, are you them are going to battle and get rich. Remember, they are taking boss till that. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, people. NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Instagram, the whole place, the whole works, people. Facebook, everything. You understand? Be safe out there. Remember, people, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe, people. We're on the road to 200K. Be part of this journey, my people. So tell a friend, and tell a other friend, people. NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Peace out. Enough love. Big up.